Is your Wi-Fi crawling like a snail? Before you blame your internet provider, there are 7 game-changing tricks that can instantly boost your wireless speed, and number 4 will shock you. Main content. 1. Router placement hack. Most people hide their routers behind furniture or in a corner. That kills your signal. Place your router in the center of your home, raised up and away from walls for best coverage. 2. Best frequency for speed 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz covers more distance, but 5 GHz gives more speed. If you're close to the router, always switch to 5 GHz for better performance. 3. Changing Wi-Fi channel manually. Your neighbors are probably using the same Wi-Fi channel, causing interference. Use apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer to find the best channel and switch to it in your router settings. 4. DNS settings secret boost. Your default DNS might be slow. Change it to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google DNS 8888 in your device or router settings to improve speed. 5. Block bandwidth hogging devices. Check who's connected to your Wi-Fi. Kick out freeloaders or limit smart TVs and background apps that consume too much data. 6. Update firmware. Super important. Old firmware slows your router. Log into your router's admin panel and update it. This can fix bugs and boost speed instantly. 7. The ultimate tip: hidden settings in router admin panel. Most routers have advanced settings like CoOS quality of service. Prioritize your devices or apps like gaming and streaming for smooth speed. Ending 9001000. Apply these hacks today and you'll feel the speed difference instantly. Subscribe for more tech power in your hands. And hey, let us know in the comments which trick worked best for you, or if you have one we didn't cover.